Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Friends, Oneplus has launched its latest and flagship smartphone, OnePlus 11, on January 4, 2023. Today we will talk about the specifications, price and features of OnePlus 11 in detail. If you are new on this channel, then immediately subscribe our channel to get latest news and updates. Let's start this video. Friends, if we talk about its design then. OnePlus 11 comes with impressive camera setup, amazing features and premium look. It has under-display fingerprint sensor. On its right side, volume rocker with new look is given and power button and can also be seen. At the bottom, USB Type-C port, stereo speakers and microphones can be seen. On the back of phone, there is a bumpy camera module with triple cameras is given, which is merged in a circular shape in top left. And the branding of Hasselblad is given in the center of cameras. An LED flash can also be seen. And the branding of OnePlus is given in middle of back side. So if we look overall design, then OnePlus 11 comes with awesome design. If we talk about the body dimensions then, its height is 163.1 mm, 74.1 mm width, and thickness is 8.5 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 89.7%, which is a good ratio. And its weight is 205 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass 7 is given on the front. It is scratch resistance and durable glass. Its front and back is made of glass. And its frame is made of metal. After that we talk about display. It comes with 6.7-inch LTPO3 HDR10 Plus AMOLED display. The main advantage of LTPO3 is that it reduces power consumption by changing the refresh rate. And at the same time, a higher refresh rate of 120 Hz is also given, which provide fast browsing. And it has max peak brightness of 1300 nits, which provide good visibility even in bright sunlight. And its screen resolution is 1440 by 3216 pixels. And 525 ppi density is given, which is a good ppi. If we talk about the operating system of OnePlus 11 then latest Android 13 OS is used. If we talk about its chipset power then, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm is used, which is a flagship and fast processing mobile platform, and it is best for gaming. And it provides better viewing experience and fast speed for multimedia, gaming, display or connectivity. You can also play heavy games like PUBG, Call of Duty and Genshin Impact. If we talk about its benchmark score then, total benchmark score of OnePlus 11 is 13,53,547, which is higher than the benchmark score of Xiaomi 13 Pro and Redmi K60 Pro. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which one CPU of 3.2 GHz, for CPUs of 2.8 GHz and 3 CPUs of 2.0 GHz can be seen. And Adreno 740 GPU support is given, which display good graphics. We talk about cameras. It has a 50 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture of f1.8. And it has PDAF and optical image stabilization feature, which is good for photography. With the large sensor of 1 by 1.56 inch you can get good photos even in low light. And a second 48 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with f2.2 aperture. It has autofocus feature, which is suitable for shooting of moving objects. Third one is telephoto sensor of 32 megapixels, which has f2.0 apertures. OnePlus 11 has a central punch hole camera of 16 megapixel for selfies. And you can record maximum video of 8K at 24 FPS from the main camera. You can also get clear or high quality images from this video, which is good thing for vloggers. Some pictures or videos made with OnePlus 11 have also been added here. Let's see these pictures or videos. So, friends, what you think about the result of these pictures and videos? Tell me in comments. In terms of memory, you will get dynamic RAM of LPDDR5X 12GB and 16GB. It comes with 3 variants. First variant 12GB plus 256GB and second variant 16GB plus 256GB, third variant 16GB plus 512GB internal storage. And storage type of UFS 4.0 is given. If we see its sound quality, then it has stereo speakers, but headphone jack is not given. If we talk about battery department, then it comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And fast charger of 100 watt is given, which can charge your phone from 0 to 100% only in 25 minutes. Due to fast charging, its battery life is enough for our daily routine and games. If we see colors, then it is available in 2 famous colors, black and green. After seeing all features and specifications of OnePlus 11, if we talk about its price, then its current market price in China is: first variant is 3,999 yuan. And second variant is 4,399 yuan. And third variant is 4,899 yuan. If we convert it in different countries, then $580, 790 Canadian dollars, 550 euros, 48,000 Indian rupees, 1,32,000 Pakistani rupees, 60,000 Bangladeshi taka. Remember that all these prices are converted to yuan and do not include any tax. So, friends, what is your opinion about OnePlus 11 and its price? According to its features, if it has reasonable price, then you would buy this phone or not? Tell me in comment section. To see such nice and informative video, please subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon for latest updates. Goodbye and take care.